Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of Excel and exploring some powerful functions, ifs and SUMIFS. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Excel user, understanding these functions can significantly enhance your data analysis and decision-making capabilities. Alright, let's get started. So on the very first list, we have if function. So it's a fundamental logical function in Excel that allows you to perform different actions based on whether a condition is true or false. All right, we have this table here, the name of the students along with age, and we just need to check if they are below 18, they are not going to be allowed, and if they are over 18, they are going to be allowed, right? So we are going to use if function here. Just type equal to if, then give the first test, then give a comma. If it is true, then they are allowed, and if it is false, then they are not allowed, right? Close the parentheses, hit enter. Here we go, we have it. Then just hit. All right, so as you can see that for Raj, Tom, it is showing as not allowed as they are below 18, and yeah, so we successfully achieved our outcome, right? Moving on to the next one, we have ifs function, and we use ifs. It's an advanced version of if formula. We can use it with multiple criteria. All right, so I have this table over here. It should be employees, not students. All right, so we have name of the employees and their cells, and we need to calculate the bonus, right? So this is the bonus chart we have. If someone has made more than 50,000, they are going to earn additional 3,000 as a bonus. And then if someone has made between 35 and 50,000, they are going to earn 2,000. And then if someone has made between 25,000 and 35,000, they are going to earn $1,000, right? And rest of the people who has earned less than 25,000, they are not going to earn anything. All right, let's see how to achieve this. Okay, we'll select the cell, then someone, it's like it is okay. Let me just quickly. Okay, ifs. Select the cell, then 50,000. If someone has made 50,000, they are going to. Okay, my bad. Okay. 3,000. Then second criteria, we are going to use and. Okay, then if someone has made, okay, let's start from the very beginning. Okay. If okay, we got the first criteria, then moving on to the next, then now we are going to use and. Okay, it is 35,000. And less than 50,000. is going to be 2000. And then we have 25,000. Less than 35,000. They're going to get $1,000. Then the last one. Let's see. All right. So we have 3,000. Then do autofill. Okay. So as you can see, Raj and Vikas has earned 33,000 based on the bonus chart. Then Tom 2,000. Mary and Mike did not make anything. Then yeah. So we have successfully achieved our outcome, right? Our desired outcome. Now moving on to the next function, which is count if. Now we have a table with region and sales and fruit name, right? And we have this criteria. So we want to achieve how much profit we have made in North region on Apple, right? Let's see how we are going to achieve this one. Okay, so we are going to use SUM IFS. This is the range, sum range. We are going to select this one. Okay, the first criteria is region, so we are going to select the first criteria. The criteria 1 is North. Then we are going to select the second criteria range, and we are going to select the second criteria, which is this, and we are going to close the parentheses. Let's hit enter. All right, so we have made $50 in North region selling Apple, right? Let me quickly change it. Okay, in South we have made 70, and East we have made 170. All right, so this is how we work with SUMIFS function. All right guys, if you found this video useful, I would request you to please do give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such educational content. Alright, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.